This is a fit for a 2016 through 2018 and likely beyond Honda HR-V with factory installed flush side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule AeroBlade Edge base roof rack system. The system is using the AeroBlade load bars in silver with the integrated feet. This is part number 7603. It is providing a usable crossbar spacing of 34 3/4 inches between the feet. It connects to the fixed points on the back side of the flush side rails using the Thule Complete Fit Kit, part number KIT 4067. And the bars are in a fixed position at 29.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. This rear bar is part number 7602. This bar offers 32 3/4 inches between the feet. The overall maximum carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our site for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.